Bill Goudy checking in. You know what time it is. Well, it's not time for an Ultra. And it's not time for a Bush. But it's time for a Zevia. Yeah, I'm out Ultra. I would probably have one. Just because there's only 2.5 carbs. Somebody said, yeah, 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 you can drink a lot more Ultras because trying to catch up with what the regular Bush would be. That's for sure. But it's costly. It surely is. It costs a lot more than a regular Bush. So, I gotta balance that out, I guess. But I like it. It sure is good flavor. It's an awful lot like Bush, other than it's not a Bush Light. It's not. It's really good. But this video is not about what kind of beer I'm going to drink or a Zevia. No. This video is about Bill Goudy Jr.'s smoker. Check this out. Yeah, look at this. Ezekiel buns, sprouted grain buns. These are heavy. These are full of fiber, but these are good. Very, very good. I like them. I like them better probably than regular. And yes, they're organic and low glycemic. Look at this. We look at this. Can you see that? You can see the smoke ring right on there. Oh. I'm going to toast this bun. I'll put it in the toaster. You have to keep these frozen because they're sprouted grains and they don't keep like enriched flour. So they're more fragile. So the best way to keep them for long-term storage is keep them frozen. Well, then I put them in a toaster or I'll put them in a pan and toast them. And so I'm going to toast this real quick. All right, well, my bun's in the toaster. I'm getting it ready. Look what I found. This is a Russell 10-inch Green River cleaver. Look at that. I think I bought this at an auction sale back in the 80s. And I ran across it the other day, and I don't think I'm going to do anything to it. The blade, you can see where they've, I don't know, tried to put it on a grinder, it looks like. Maybe I'll buff that out. I don't know. But it's a two-handed. That's a zombie machine, I'm telling you. Anyway, I ran across that and I thought, well, I'm going to get that out. Oh, my toast popped. Ha! My bun popped out of the toaster. Let's get it out. I've washed my hands, but they're stained. So if you think my hands are dirty, well, I guess they are. But I can't get it. I can't get it. They're clean. They're as clean as I can get them. But nothing comes off when I wipe them on the paper towel. Now, I tried this cold. It is awesome. Bill Goudy Jr. said that he had a little bit of a learning curve. He said that when he put that, got the fire going in there, he had some green wood, and he had some big temperature swings, and it takes a little bit to learn about how that works. So this is his actual first brisket done in the smoker. But oh yeah, let me tell you, it is good. He did a good job on this. Now look at that, will you? Ah. Oh man. That is good. And I am hungry. Oh yeah. Mm-mm. Man, that flavor is good. He's got some kind of special rub on there. It's good. It's tangy, smoky. I'm gonna finish eating. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm all dirty. It's been a long day. Got a lot of work done. It was warm enough that I could just get work around with just a sweatshirt on today, which I'm liking that. But they're saying there's some cold weather coming. By the end of the week, it's going to be cold again. So, listen, I'm going to finish eating. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to climb up in that bunk and do her all again tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Bill Goudy out. Look at that, huh? Giant fish hook. Opening handle. Look at those stops. That goes up. Look at this. Grates. I don't know if I can lift that out of there. Yeah, like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, if it's bright enough.